We'll share with you today a little bit about the Tuskegee University Multi-Institutional Mentoring Network for Transforming Organizational Culture program, the program that we call Tomorrow's Unique Mentor Program, or the TU Mentor Program. This program is designed to impact graduate students here at Tuskegee University and is led by myself, Dr. Olga Bolden-Tiller, along with Dr. Dolores Alexander, Dr. Deepa Betty, Dr. Robert Zabawa, and Dr. Being Mean, who will be heading up and overseeing the leads on our mentoring activities for this project. Along with these individuals, we also have Dr. Tasha Hargrove, Dr. Joseph Kwanzaa, Dr. Albert Russell, and Dr. Richard Whittington, who will assist with the mentoring activities, but have a leadership role in the dissemination and assessments for the program. When we take a look at our project summary, it is simply this. The Tuskegee University Mentoring Program advances an inclusive and intentional mentoring practices via a professional development series centered on best practices and barriers to effective mentoring for mentors and mentees. The TU Mentor Program also creates a collaborative capacity by aligning participants with networks like AGEP, EPSCoR, and MSP. The problem that we are addressing is simple. Data shows that poor STEAM mentoring leads to mentor-mentee conflicts, and that these conflicts result in attrition in STEAM graduates. Subsequently, we have a leaky pipeline that results in a lack of diversity in the workforce for food, agriculture, nutrition, and human sciences. Therefore, the objectives of our project are to develop and implement a mentor program that addresses mentor-mentee conflicts that lead to attrition, and to provide training to faculty mentors as well as graduate students in the areas that promote a diverse food, agriculture, nutrition, and human science workforce, and to ensure that these students from undergraduate groups have been mentored to successfully work in cross-cultural environments. Our approach is three-pronged. As a part of our implementation, we have component 1, which is a mentor and a mentee seminar series. These seminar series will be held separately. However, mentors and mentees will be brought together as a part of component 2, whereby there will be a mentor-mentee training workshop that will be the culminating event each year for our mentoring activities, bringing together mentors and mentees with the purpose of furthering gains in the mentor-mentee relationship. Lastly, component 3 will address cultural awareness. Our cultural awareness event will be an intensive training program designed to provide participants with a working knowledge of the factors that influence the climate for traditionally marginalized groups, examine how their own power, privilege, and position can influence positive change in our campus climate and beyond, as well as result in gains in working in cross-cultural environments. Some of the mentor-mentee topics that will be covered include the faculty's role in creating and enabling learning climate, why graduate school, making the case, goal setting, effective leadership practices and principles, career and life planning for doctoral and postdoc students, networking, a savvy strategy for success after the doctorate, as well as additional activities associated with time management and such. Here we have an overview of our timeline, just indicating which activities will take place during year 1. Our activities for year 2 will actually mirror those of year 1, with improvements as determined by our assessments. That concludes our program activities. We look forward to the implementation.